What's up, guys? We're gonna do a impeller check and replace a few parts. It's a old Mercury 82 stroke 3-cylinder. You have 4 5/8 bolts you're gonna get with a wrench. Then you have a 15 here. I've already loosened them some. Once you get them about like that, you're gonna bump that down some to break it loose from this seal. Go ahead and pull them fully out at that point. That way you know it's not gonna fall on you. As you see, I popped it loose, so now you can just work these back and it'll come down. I got a bucket to kind of catch it. Not a good area in the middle. That's not good. Yep. Okay. Alright, got it down. That decided to pop off. When you take this cover out, there's going to be a key that's going to try to pop out. Once you get the impeller propped down, I got it just sitting on an old seat. You're going to want to get these 4 bolts off, get the cover off. Back to them, this one has these little rubber washers. There's the key. As you take it apart, you'll have your pieces, this, your impeller, you'll have your cover plate and gasket behind it, you'll have your seal plate. I think that's what's leaking. Alrighty, guys, got the old base off. It actually broke off. It's pretty cheap, but I'm gonna put the old one back on because seals look fine, gasket's fine. We're gonna dull it silicone like they did. Clean this up real nicely. put all that back in. Alrighty guys, got the base plate on, greased right there on the splines just so it'd slide in a little easier. Got my gasket and bottom plate. You want to make sure you got the smooth side. You can feel right here, one side will be smooth, one will be rough. The bottom of the impeller to sit on. Here's my old one. And then here's the new one. Gonna put some grease all in here, put it in. And slap it in there. I'll be right back. Got the new one in, so to do it, it's pretty easy. You just shove it in and twist it counterclockwise. Next, we're gonna put the keyway on. We're gonna slide this on, tighten it up, go from there. First things first is our keyway. Sit right there. I usually have this lined up pretty well. Lined up. Alright, now we just gotta throw it on, but before I do, I'm gonna take a water hose and blast right up in there just to make sure. Just to make sure there ain't nothing cranked up in the motor. It should be good. Alrighty guys, about to get that bad boy put back up into here. You're gonna have 4 bolts that run up through the side, and your big nut, that's a 15 that runs through right here. You tighten it from the bottom. You may have to rotate this or the prop to get it in. Got mine in neutral. Sometimes it's easier to have it in forward. We're gonna see. That's nice to us. I'm gonna grab my net washer. It's sitting waiting on me. Here comes the color. I'm gonna try this. Drop it up on my knee. Hey guys, ended up getting it on. I had to put it in forward, slowly rotate this. It slid in. I got this 15 mil in. I'm about to start getting the floor done. Should be good.